Okay, this is a video for repair of an Inventum, a Dutch fridge. Don't look at the mess in the fridge right now, please. Oh, where is my... Here is mine. It's an Inventum JP010NF. It has a circuit board printed on the plate. Well, it would be great to find a circuit explanation. Is well, okay. Let's start. I had these two lights, 2 and 3. They were blinking for a long time. I called the mechanical guys from the company, and they couldn't help me. They could send a guy, a repair guy. But now I know, after a few months, what has been wrong with it. There is a van moving up the air through these gates to the top. If that doesn't work, it starts blinking the 2 and 3 light, which means that this gentleman has been broken down. This vent, which makes the cold air go up and makes the fridge on the top work. So this is the freezer. The top is the cooling. If this doesn't work, it doesn't get cold enough enough to make sure your veggies and your other shit in this apartment is cool enough. So we bought another fridge from a second-hand one from a marketplace in Holland called Marktplaats. So we are safe right now, but I ordered this one also, but we have a party coming up, so I needed a fridge. I put this one in this socket right here, and it worked, and the other one didn't work. So this is the solution for it. Well, to rebuild this one, it's quite simple. This is the back end, this is the front end. This is the front end. Take out one screw over here. You can take off the whole thing. This one has been screwed. This one has been screwed to the back side of this one, like this, with one screw in the middle. So it's one screw to take this one off, one screw to take this one off, and 3 screws to take this one off. This one I will put a link in the description to order it. If you order it here in Holland, it would be between 70 to 180 euros. The fridge is like, right now it's like 400, 500 euros, so it's way too expensive. This is an AliExpress fan. It works fine. It works just fine. I'm going to mount it now, and then my fridge will work again. Then I'm going to sell it on Marketplace after the party, of course. Okay, I hope you had something constructive with this video, and I hope you can repair your fridge if you have the same one. Never buy the same one. You're looking for a new one because it's a terrible fridge. Configuration inside is not to our liking. Okay, cheers, and see you again in the next one. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. You cannot give me a thumbs down on this one because there's no video about it. But if you want to, you can give me a thumbs down, and I'll give it. Okay, now cheers. I won't do anything, any editing on this video because it's just a repair video. Okay. Hope you have a nice day. I have one. Okay, cheers. See you later. Ciao.